Ever spend hours digging through rock-hard soil, only to feel wiped out before you even start planting? Gardening's supposed to be relaxing until the ground fights back. That's exactly why electric tillers have become a total game changer. They break up tough soil, rip out weeds, and prep garden beds fast with way less effort. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best electric tillers you can buy right now. From lightweight backyard options to serious soil-breaking machines. And trust me, the number 1 pick makes yard work feel almost effortless. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Sunjo TJ603E. This thing's popular for good reason. It packs solid digging power into a lightweight, beginner-friendly design. Steel tines powered by a strong electric motor. Loosens soil fast for flower beds, veggie gardens, and small projects. The best part? You plug it in, pull the trigger, and go. No gas, no oil, no engine headaches. The adjustable width gives you flexibility too. And even though it's light, it still digs surprisingly deep. Perfect starter tiller if you want, simple and affordable. At number 4, the Earthwise TC70025. This one's ideal for smaller gardens and tighter spaces. 4 durable steel tines cut through loose to moderately hard soil with ease. What really stands out is how easy it is to move around. Lightweight, compact, turns on a dime. Way more maneuverable than heavy gas models, it's also much quieter. And the foldable handle makes storage simple. Great choice for raised beds and small backyard projects. Coming in at number 3, the Greenworks 40-volt cordless cultivator. This is where things get interesting. No cord, no restrictions. You can move freely around the yard without dragging cables behind you. The lightweight design makes it feel nimble in tight spaces, and even on battery power, it delivers solid performance for garden prep. Adjustable width helps you switch between narrow and wide areas quickly. Push button start. Low maintenance. Quiet operation. If you want convenience without gas or cords, this one's excellent. At number 2, the Sunjo TJ604E. Think of this as the stronger, more aggressive version of the smaller Sunjo models. Powerful motor, 6 steel tines, handles tougher, compacted soil with confidence. Wider tilling path covers ground faster too. It breaks through hard soil better than most electrics in its class. And you still get all the benefits of electric. No fuel, no pull cords, no maintenance stress. Serious performance without going full gas, but taking the top spot. The Earthwise TC70040. This one hits the sweet spot. Strong motor, durable tines. Makes quick work of compact soil and weeds without feeling hard to control. What makes it special is the balance. Powerful enough to get the job done, but stable and easy to handle for beginners too. Adjustable width and depth give you real versatility, from small flower beds to larger vegetable gardens, and it stays manageable even during longer sessions. Reliable, practical, low maintenance, and strong enough for real yard work. For most people, this is the one that just makes sense. So, which would you pick? A simple beginner model? Cordless freedom? Or the balanced powerhouse at number 1? Drop your choice in the comments. All the links and current prices are in the description. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tool and garden reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.